lighting. Check. And now I just need some lip gloss. Check. Thank you for everyone who voted on how I should finish this protective hairstyle that's under this scarf. I liked each option, but I kind of really wanted to do mini twist. And I tallied up the votes, and mini twist was the most voted for. So yay! But then again, I'm like, because I kind of didn't want to do mini twist. Like I did, but I didn't, because I know sometimes it takes a while. But I did realize that since I only have to do the back half of my hair, it should probably take maybe an hour, but no more than that. So, and I don't think I'm gonna do like super mini. Like we'll see. And then I think it would be cute with these twists in my hair. Anyways, I've been wearing this satin scarf. My twists have been looking fine. I may have to redo these right here because they're kind of like squished right now. It's already 11:22 and I have to leave for work no later than 1:30. So we have a good amount of time to hopefully be able to get this done, do my baby hairs. Of course, it's like feeling dry because I've had it in a bun for about 2 days. I do want to let you guys know that protective styles are good, but it's only good if you actually do it right. So with protective hairstyles, unless your hair are in twists in the back or something like that, you need to make sure that every so often, like every 2 days or every few days, you go in and say you were rocking the bun for the rest of the week, or you did like different bun styles, you have to make sure you re-moisturize the leave out part of your hair, because you can't just have it just sitting in a bun for multiple days and just let it stay there, because then when you take it out, your hair is just going to be dry and tangled and stuff. It kind of defeats the purpose of protective hairstyles. Alright, well, I'm going to stop rambling because I don't have time to ramble. I have to get to doing my twist. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be using today. So for my twist, I'm going to be using, of course, SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is going to be my cream for my twist. This is going to keep my hair moisturized, and then to like keep the hold on my twist and the extra added shine, I guess, I'm going to use NaturAll Club Flaxseed Gel. It's a curl defining gel. I've tried this out on a wash and go. This is going to be my first time doing it on a twist out, so hopefully it goes well. Yeah, let's get this twisting party started. Okay. Okay.
And here's where we sabotage all of the work we just did. For the back of my head, I actually ended up using wet line because some...
Okay, of course, you guys know who I'm watching. This is Brie Hall, and she's actually one of the people that I used to watch when I was like considering becoming natural or transitioning or whatever. And of course, I'm pretty sure every natural has saw her mini twist. I don't know if this is really a tutorial or it's just like watching her do her mini twist, but I had to like look and see how she did it really quick just to make sure like I'm doing it right, because I haven't done mini twist before. So shout out to Brie Hall. This girl is amazing. She's amazing with her natural hair. She's amazing with her videos. Just super creative and cool girl. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna stop watching this. And I'm gonna go to my couples therapy, and I'm gonna start listening while I do my hair. Okay, I'm really gonna stop talking now. I've said this like 5 times and I'm still rambling. Okay, and it's 11:32. Oh.
You know why? And I hate to reduce it to this. It's because guys will never understand.
Well, I think that that's totally fair.
like 1:24. I need to be leaving in the next 10 minutes. I have this chunk left to do. I was able to redo this side, but these other sides I wasn't able to redo, which I wish I could have done. Okay, oh my gosh, it's 1:30. I need to hurry up. I messed up the top part, so I'm gonna have to retwist this. So just excuse that. I wasn't able to do my baby hairs, but I was able to finish my twist. I really like it. I just would like to see it like all together. It looks really nice. I'm trying to hurry up because I really have to go. If I'm able to, I'm gonna just take my hair stuff with me to work and see if I can like try to fix the top part so I can show you guys the finished result. If not, then I would just show you guys tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I tried, but I'm hopefully try to show you guys. I like it. So far, so good. All right. See you guys really soon, hopefully. Bye.